Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. We'll look at the Microsoft Access Electrician Appointment Tracking Database. So go ahead and scroll all the way up here and go up to Appointment and Scheduling and select the Access Electrician Appointment Tracking Database. Once you open that web page, download a demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Microsoft Access that your computer is currently running on. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once it downloads, open the file. And you need to extract all of the file, so extract all and then hit extract. Once you've extracted it, feel free to open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the file. And as always with our database templates, you also get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact Winning Solutions Inc. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I will just be closing out of this for now. And so this is the Microsoft Access Electrician Appointment Tracking Database. So what it's good for is for if you are an electrician and you need to keep track of all your appointments as well as your customers. However, if you like this database template but maybe you're not an electrician and you want to change it up to match your profession, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to make it compatible for any type of business or organization that you do run. So to get started here, we're going to add a new customer. As you can see, you can fill out a lot of information on this page. However, we will just be filling out enough information for the sake of the demonstration. But as you can see, you can fill out a ton of different phone numbers. You can fill out addresses for the customer. You can even put a picture of the customer as well as notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history for the customer. We're just going to fill out enough information for the sake of the demonstration. So this is all we're going to fill out. We're going to go ahead and hit save and close. And now what you can do is you can also search for that customer. So if I need to search for any specific customer by any of these different criteria, you can do that. So if I search just by last name, keeping it simple, hit search, there's that test customer that I created. And you can even double click it to view the record if I want to go back and I want to change some of this information or put in some new information. We will not be doing that for the sake of the demo. Go ahead and close out of that. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to add an appointment. So if you go to calendar view here, and it opens up in daily view, April 20th, 2016. But as you can see, you can go weekly view, bi-weekly, monthly, month and day, or even a custom view. I'll show you a few of the views right here. So this is the month and day, this is the month view. And we're gonna go back to daily view because we're gonna make an appointment. So April 20th, 2016, we're gonna make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So double click in the box there, and there's these test employees that we have implemented for the sake of the demonstration. So we're going to use the one I made, test. However, if you purchase the database template, you would obviously be able to put in all of your own information. These are just test information. So our employee, we're going to say electrician 1 was on the job. Type, we're going to say individual. Location, keep it simple, location 1. And as you can see, these have all the prices on the right here. So this is individual 50. The invoice amount increases to 50, and whatever you put, it's going to match that. So we're going to make this 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. like I said, make it an hour. And you can even input if you're going to have multiple workers working the job. Maybe you're not just going to only have electrician 1, but you're going to have even more. And you can fill out how the customer is going to pay for this specific appointment. We're just going to fill out this information for the sake of the demo. So let's select a custom color though. So we're going to select, we'll go green and hit OK. And the reason why this is important, so now when I hit save and close, is it makes this green. Now if you're going to have multiple appointments back to back, or maybe you have even multiple appointments at the same time but just different electricians, this is perfect for the organization because it's color coded, so it's very easy to look at it. And we can even go monthly view, and we can view, that's what it looks like on the monthly view. So it's pretty cool, and you can double click it and it zooms you back in, and you can even double click this if you want to edit some information about it. We're going to go ahead and close out of this for now, and the last thing I want to show you guys is that you can even search for the appointment. So we have subject, location, start date, end date. So if we start, we're going to go start date. Let's search for one that's today. When we run that search, it's going to show all appointments that are on that day. It's going to show all your appointments that are on that day that I search. And you can obviously fill out other criteria. And you can even double click these if you want to view them. So I double click it, I can view it on here, and I can even double click it to edit it again. So it's a pretty detailed database. It can do a lot of stuff, and it's really good for keeping track of appointments and customers. Close out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media platform. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.